This is my Kia Cerato 2013 shift boot that I repaired myself. I changed myself, and I changed also the leader of the shift knob. And the result is very nice. The result, as you can see, is very nice. I'm really satisfied. So I think you can do it yourself. It's not a big deal. You have just to remove this from here with a small piece of tall piece of plastic in order not to scratch the car plastics, and then remove this frame under this shift boot plastic frame. Remove it, and then unscrew the shift knob, totally unscrew the shift knob, and then remove everything up, the shift boot and the shift knob, and then according to the size of the old shift boot, you cut a new one, place it, make the holes in order to fix it in the plastic frame, and then fix it here with the plastic tie. As far as I'm concerned, I removed there was something of metal here to fix this. I removed it, and then I put in place a plastic tie. Concerning this, the shift knob, you just have to remove this metallic part by unscrewing a screw from inside, and then put this small of simili-cuir, this small piece like this that you cut according to the one you removed, and then place everything, and it's okay. And this is my car, as you can see. Oh. I love this song from the Cranberries by Dolores O'Riordan, which I think was first was done by the Cranberries in, if I'm not mistaken, in 1992 or 1993. I was a student in electrical engineering. I love this song. Peace to the peace to Dolores O'Riordan, paix à l'âme de Dolores O'Riordan. Peace to her, because she died. Thank you for watching my video.
It's not me.